So we finished cutting out these trim pieces. We sanded them, cut them down to the size of each of the lids, and now we're gonna use the brad nailer to nail them in. And we're gonna be using 5/8 inch brad nails to adhere this, since it's a 1/4 inch of the trim and then the actual cover is a 1/2 inch, so then it won't be too long to go through. Two left. So we officially have all of the lids on, and we have to hold them open. So we're about to install the gas struts that will hold them open so we don't have to. So we were really struggling to get this first gas strut on, and we finally got it, and we're extremely happy about it, so we're going to show you. We made a lot of extra holes. We tried this one 3 different times, and this one also, you can see the bunch of holes, but this is what it looks like. So now when we shut it, stays shut. If we go like this, doesn't open. If we open it, there it goes. I would say it's probably like a 90-degree angle. It's pretty flat, so looks great. Now 7 more to go. Think we can do it?
Let's do this.
So these are the little pull tabs that we're gonna put on all of the like upper cabinets, drawers, cabinets throughout the van. They just look like this. They're made out of little cuts of leather right here that we just folded over, and then I cut a little hole through it and put this bolt. Okay, I put this bolt in, and then we also used these finishing washers to kind of make it look a little bit prettier and make it more of a statement instead of just being the head of the bolt. And then we're going to put it through the cabinets and secure it with some lock washers, and then some nuts. And then that will be our little tabs for everything. And these were such a money saver because we were going to spend like $3-4 per knob, which would have been like over $100 for the whole van. And these 8 knobs, plus we have extra materials, cost us less than $15. So big old money saver.